it's Khadijah, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, it's just gonna be like a little vlog. Basically, I'm gonna just be doing a vlog of like what I'm doing today. And probably later, I'm gonna probably clean my room or something later. Something with my room and like just get it together. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna see what we're doing today. But right now, I'm about to go get a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie. And I'm about to show y'all the outfit that I got on. Alright y'all, so this is the fit I got on. I just have on this shirt from, I think, Fashion Nova. My nails that I showed y'all in the last video that I just got done. Then I got on my bag from Temu. And these gray leggings are from Shein, I think. And then I have on my Croc slides.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. Before I ever trapped you, they thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off.
Alright y'all, so I'm back home. And the smoothie is good. The smoothie is good. I like it. It's good. It's like pineapple. I don't know. It just tastes like pineapple. Like, but it's good. Like, I wouldn't get it again. But like, it's good. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, so I don't know why this did that. It was nothing in there. But anyways, so right now, I'm about to just do some things that have to get done, like be productive. I'm about to probably straighten up my room, and I'll show y'all that. Like, it's not too messy. It's just some things that I need to do and want to do. I want to hang my shoe rack up on the wall. I want to organize my drawers, like fold my clothes in my drawers and all that. So yeah, we're gonna be a little productive today. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna probably also my board. I'm gonna clear out the video ideas that I already did and put some new videos on here to get up for y'all. So yeah, I guess this next clip, y'all will just be watching me like clean my room. So yeah. And obviously, y'all know I have to fill my Stanley up with water, like. Paradise.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby. around. Somebody just fill you up, then I take it down. Got someone I don't you love when I come around. Somebody just fill you up, then I take. On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when it might walk.
Alright, so as y'all can see, my room is nice and clean. You know, something simple, you know. I put batteries in all my lights, y'all, so they're all nice and lit up now. My closet is clean or whatever. And I had hung my shoe rack up on the wall or whatever. So because it kept falling over, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do my shoe rack up on the wall. And my purses are nice and organized. Comment down below though and let me know if y'all want a room tour, because I will definitely be happy to give y'all a room tour. I got a few other things, few little things that I want to do to the room, but like, comment down below, let me know if y'all want a room tour, because I will definitely give y'all a room tour video. Yeah, let me know if y'all want a room tour though, because I'd be happy to give y'all one.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper.
So y'all, I just lit my vanilla pumpkin marshmallow candle. So y'all, it smells like so good. I can smell it already. Yeah, y'all. So I just got done cleaning my room. I feel so much better now that my room is clean and smelling good. I got my candle lit, so it smells good in here, and it's nice and clean. I'm about to just get some other things done that I really need to do. I'm about to clear off my little whiteboard and do some journaling and all that. So yeah.
Side wind, straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On the side, no man at the climbing. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay them beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security.
Alright y'all, so that's about it for today's video. I just got some stuff done that really needed to be done. So this is a little I guess, productive video. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and share this video with your friends, family, anybody. And comment down below and let me know that you shared the video. And I might do a little giveaway. So yeah, share this video, comment down below. And I'm going to do a little giveaway for y'all. Let me know that you shared it. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. And yeah, see you on the next video.
Are you on your